Hi guys, so now we're going to be making chocolate fudge brownies. So I've melted the chocolate and this is what it looks like. I've added the flour to the mixture and now I'm going to add the milk. Reheated the oven, and now all my ingredients are in the bowl and I'm just mixing it, and I'm going to put it in the tin and it's going to go into the oven to bake. I put cling film. I put foil inside the tin so that the mixture wouldn't stick to the tin. I'm going to put the timer on for 15 to 20 minutes so you know when it's done. I preheated the oven and now I'm going to put this inside. I put the timer on for 15 to 20 minutes, so I'll keep checking on it and I'll see you guys soon. So this is the finished product and I'm actually really happy with it. It looks good, so it probably will taste good. It's good.